Beautiful wine country home west amazing Mount View. Located west and 10 miles of 15 wineries, this 3670 square foot home has ample space for horses west/2 fence, irrigated pastures, 5-stall barn west sanded run, 20 by 30 shed, 16 by 16 tack room plus shop. This 4-bed 4-bath has much to offer in wine room. Interior painted in 2016, inked in 2015, new roof in 2012, new heat pump with AC in 2015. Solar panels installed in 2019, $50,000 value. Above ground pool with a beautiful deck surround to cool off on summer days. Come see this beauty.